Buongiorno, motherfuckers!
Yeah, give us a nibble on the carrot, Russ. Give us a quick... Oh. Not good?
Not good.
Not good?
Welcome back to another Sick Puppy 4x4 episode. We're going to go down onto the beach on the farm, little hidey spot, and we're going to go catch some crabs. No, mud crabs, fuck ya. Alright, got the nav, first time with the trailer. I'm going to go down to my little hidey spot down on the beach and go catch some crabs, fellas. Let's go. Nice fresh water. Woo! Didn't think it was that fucking deep. I can't remember if I went through here or not.
That was fucked.
That was cool. Nice little creek crossing. Go down nice and easy. Might have a bit of water come through on the floor there, mate, but you'll be right. The other side, beautiful, look at that. A nice little scenic creek here. I wonder if I can go through there and just crawl out of that.
No.
I reckon I could.
You reckon?
Yeah. Winch jobby! Ah! You can tell it's that deep. We're in a bit of a pickle there. We're going to have to winch out of this one. We should have hit it a bit faster, but just trying to keep up. This is a lot of effort for some mud crabs. Just dragging this towards me. Just pulling the old dirty old Hilux back. They're about 3 times as heavy, and I've got a trailer and everything. So old mate and his cruiser here's come along, so you're going to try and hook up to him. So I've got a bit more anchorage. I should be home sailing. Yeah, no, you're right. just need that little bit of anchorage and I was good to go. Alright, I'll hook off home, mate, and we'll keep going. Need these crabs cooking. Alright, we've pulled up into our spot out the farm. Creek's there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the old crab pot, mate, bait her up, throw her in for an hour or so, pull her out, and we'll go from there. This is my crab pot. Just don't laugh at it, fellas, please. Come on. I reckon this will work beautiful. I reckon we'll have 4 crabs in that in half an hour. Let's give it a crack, eh? Alright, there's something I didn't get from BCF. It was friggin' rope, man. Rope. I got bait and all that to throw in the pot, but I forgot rope. So I'm just jimmy ridging up what I've got in the trailer and what I found on a tree. So let's start putting it together and see how I go. What do you call that knot? Get me bait out, bit of mullet. Hopefully that'll work. Throw him in there like that. Just do a quick granny knot. That'll do. Walk down here, fellas. Oh, hang on a second. I forgot something. Crucial step of any crab pot is a Great Northern. Don't drink and drive, fellas. All right, let's go and throw this in. Look at that, crab hunting. All right, crab pot's in. Next thing we're gonna do is set up camp, get the fire going, have a hydration session. We'll check back in later. We've had our hydration session. It's time to come down and check what we got in the pot, see if we've got any crabs. Just put my beer over there. Pour them in. What have we here? Oh, look at that. 3 Great Northerns. That is awesome. Listen, guys, I got no crabs, but I reckon I've got a recipe perfect for these Great Northerns. Let's go back up to the kitchen, fellas, and I'll show you what I got. Buongiorno, motherfuckers! I haven't caught any crabs, but I've caught 3 beers. I've got a secret recipe for the Great Northerns. Apprentice chef, Evo Connor here. First things first is I might get you to chop those onions for me, mate, if you don't mind.
How?
Just chop them up.
Like a nicer dicer,
Yeah,
little
just
slice
not
action?
dice them, just fucking slice them, bro. First things first, we get the old oil out. I haven't even opened this yet. What's going on?
What, I just need to take that one layer off, or what?
Yeah, one.
Well, I've got 2 bits of fuck all off of one, and now the rest of it's all the same.
Yeah, nah, take the other layer off, bro.
There's another layer?
Yeah, bro. I bought myself a new pot. It's a crab pot thingy, my bob. We'll sprinkle some of that in there. Get some oil in there. I'll get the carrots out while mate, my apprentice is chopping up the onion. We'll just go chop him up nice and big. Perfect. Chop these up nicely. Nice tasty carrot. How you going there, bro?
Look, I'm going to be real with you. Not fantastically.
Come on, mate. Now you're going through half a bag of carrots here and you're still chopping one arm. Celery. We've got to put a bit of celery in there. Pause. Put your fucking knife down for a second. We need some beverages, bro.
Are you supplying?
I am supplying the beverages.
Well, let's get some fucking beverages happening then.
Righto. Hey, sound dude! Can you get us some beverages, bro?
Hey!
Job! Let's get back to work, mate. How you going with those onions there, bro? Oh,
look, man, I don't want to fucking talk about the onion situation just yet, actually.
Looking sensational here, bro. Bit of thick and cream. Get that in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Next is some beer. Most important step is my beer. Number 2. I think I'm going to need more beer than this, but that's beer number 4. I might need another 2, eh? Throw that in there.
I loved it.
Don't
froth it up too much, mate. Come on.
Hopefully this works out alright. Righto! That's all of it. Bit of garlic in there. Cheers. Righto, that's all in there. Yeah, I'll just put it in the fire for a bit, let it simmer up a little bit.
A bit of juiciness happening.
Get a bit of juiciness happening, then I'll throw the prawns in and we'll see how we go. I might need 2 more beers actually.
You know this recipe asks for like 1 beer, hey? You're gonna need to put water in that.
Well, I'll add some water to it then.
It only asked for 1 beer so that you had the beer flavour in there, and he's put 8 entire beers in there and substituted the water for alcohol.
I think I'm out of water out of my tank.
Okay, and now he's run out of water in his tank. We'll get back to you.
You fill it up before we left? Nice.
It dead set looks like sea foam, dog. And we're eating this?
Yeah.
We're nibbling on this?
Oh, we'll give it a crack.
We're eating this
Give
shit?
it a crack. Well, we got. Right, let's whack this fucker up. Oh, I don't know. Wait a couple of minutes till it starts simmering, and I'll throw it in. Let's just go and have a hydration session. We'll come back in 8 minutes.
Oh, bother.
Oh shit! Gotta get the prawns on, fellas. What's going on? Oh, she's boiling, boys. Let's whack these girls in there. Green prawns straight in. Righto, got the easy spatch. We'll give it a quick stir up. Get those vital juices in there.
There is so much beer in that.
Throw the lid back on. Let's go and have another hydration session. Onwards. Righto.
That's it. Yeah, go ahead. Grab that hand. Reach him out onto the iron.
Yeah, mate.
Have an inspection. Oh,
sensational. Let's get that out.
beauty.
Let's go and give it a crack, eh? Right, we're back over in the kitchen, fellas. We've got deadly looking thing happening here. So what I'm going to do is I've got this boiling. Cook up some rice and slap in there with it. And we'll see how we go. That should be enough rice. What do you reckon, fellas? I'm just going to try a prawn. Just 1 prawn. This one here, right here.
You didn't take the shit shoot out, did you?
Fuck the shit.
You wanted that crunchy crunch. Fucking dude. Eat your fucking prawn.
That's pretty good, actually. That come out real well.
Give us a sampling.
Yeah. Remember, you got to peel the butt. Turned out pretty good. Just don't drink and just don't drive afterwards.
All I can taste is beer, dude.
It's good, eh?
It tastes like boiled Great Northern.
Fuck up with the Great Northern.
Look,
they taste
Look, all I'm
sensational.
saying is, it would have been fine if you followed the recipe. What 1 beer inside the prawns, you put 8.
But it wasn't enough.
Look, here's 1. Here's the difference between 1 and 8. That's a big fucking difference, dog.
Fuck, it's only 7.
Yeah, give us a nibble on the carrot, Russ. Give us a quick. Oh, not good.
Not good.
Not good.
Try a bit of celery.
I'll try a bit of celery. Celery. I'll make this much salary in a day. I'm going in for the second bite.
Are ya?
That's fucking terrible.
The prawns are good.
Prawns are the worst part. This is all bad. This is all don't spit on me. This is all terrible. Oh, what's the rice doing, dude?
I don't know.
It looks like porridge.
I'm gonna bowl some of this out.
Gonna bowl
see what it tastes
it out.
like. There's some rice. Ooh. Bit of prawn stew. I'll get some prawns in there.
Sensational. I give this a 10 out of 10.
Oh, let's give this a whirl, eh?
Hold on.
Let's quite good with rice. Bit of celery. Try this.
I'm fucking Matt Moran over here. Salary, dude. Salary sacrifice. This is a fucking sacrifice, dude.
Oh, wait, eat some celery, brothers.
You think I should eat the salary
Yeah,
first?
celery.
The celery?
Nah, celery and prawn with prawn.
Coming in hot.
I think I need to do a better job with this one. I think I fucked this one up. I can't. I can't.
I'm a fraud.
There's an antenna.
Fucking antenna this bitch, man.
Oh, you like some celery?
Oh, I would. Thank you so much.
Cut! I don't know what the fuck I did, man, but that fucking tastes shit.
I put it down to the 8 beers.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go check out my crab pot. We'll see what's in there. Keep smashing the beers. Anyway, if you want to see the rest of the night, it'll be on Patreon. Easy as $1 a month. This is our Patreon man right here. He does a wonderful job.
He's a fucking piece of shit.
See you on Patreon, fellas. Cheers. Welcome to back.
It's your boy.
Big turd suckers. This is Spud Speed Roll.
You got them trendy slides. Blue wash jeans. Trendy there.
It died.
Great Northern.
Beautiful Mrs. Max Pie. And a Red Bull. A pack of smokes.